Great day, everybody. I am Mary Jane Escotot, and I am the second reporter. Now, let's go further to our discussion.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
There are millions of different species of animals in many places around the world. They differ in size, body covering, and other features. They classified into two, and these are vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals with a bony endoskeleton or backbone are referred to as a vertebrates. And those without are invertebrates. Alright, you can easily identify with the eye where is vertebrates and invertebrates because ang vertebrates is agatong mga na ay bony endoskeleton or backbone, while ang invertebrates agatong mga walay backbone. Again, to know the animals whether is vertebrates or invertebrates, these are the example animals that my co-reporter told us earlier. In the vertebrates, these are human, horse, dove, tarsier, monkey, peacock, duck, snake, iguana, alligator, tortoise, toad, frog, salamander, shark, koi, catfish, stingray, and many more that have a bony endoskeleton or backbone. And in the invertebrates, these are the bat sponge, Venus flower basket, jellyfish, hydra, corals, sea, anemone, tapeworm, planaria, liverflow, octopus, squid, shrimp, crab, spider, bee, ant, beetle, scorpion, and many more as long as without backbone. And that's all about classification of animals. Let's proceed to the next topic. Identified characteristics of plants and also their classification. And it will discuss with our next reporter.